In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to try to fix the Mini Cooper S in one episode. Yeah, I think we have all the parts. I just have to remove the bumper, the fender. I'm not sure if I'm going to remove the hood because I didn't receive the hood. I think I'm going to remove the hood just tomorrow because I want to swap everything from one side to the other when I have all the parts. Yeah. And yeah, sadly I worked a little bit off camera because I saw that this headlight was under tension in here and I didn't want to snap something because all the brackets are intact and I want to reuse that. But other than that, I didn't done anything to the car. We are going to start now. Yeah, remove the bumper like I said, the fender, and let's hope we can put everything back together and the car looks like brand new. So yeah, no more talking, let's start the video. It's finally out, yeah. I took the old bumper, we have the new one in here, but it took me a while because check this out, because of this type of screws. Yeah, it has a lot of this kind of screws, as you can see. Another one in here, another one in here. Yeah, so anyway, it's done, it's out. Now I'm going to reinstall the new one, and pretty much that's about it. This is the next day, yeah, for sure. It was too dark yesterday night to show you something or to do something. I just put the wheelie because I didn't want to leave the car overnight on a jack stand, or the jack stand on this thing. Yeah, I managed to install the fender. It's the same color, everything fits perfect, the same level, the same gap, everything. Yeah, I didn't reinstall the rocker panel, but I have time and that's not a problem. We have the fender liner, that's not a problem. But we have a big problem, and let me show you what I mean by big problem. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this one. This is the original bumper that is cracked, and this is a different bumper. So I've noticed just yesterday night, this part, the plastic side from underneath is different and the mounting points are different. So as you can see, we have a different grill in here and a different one in here. And this plastic part, I mean, it's different from this one. See how short this one is? And the holes fit the car because this one is short. And this one is too long and goes too deep under the car. I try to swap this, but I don't think it's going to fit because see how this blue color goes? Yeah, it has like a weird angle in here, and on this one it's a straight angle here, 90 degrees, and here we have something different. Yeah, so this won't fit our car. So yeah, that's why I thought I hit the jackpot with this car because I had all the parts, and I think the owner realized that the parts that he ordered doesn't fit, and that's why he sold the car with all the parts. But it's no problem because as you can see, we just have one crack in this corner and all the parts from the bumper are here, and I think we can save this one. But the biggest problem that we have, and the biggest, I mean for real, a big problem, is just this plastic part that is broken. We cannot mount the fog light, and that sounds not like a big problem, but the problem is that this whole plastic is one piece that goes till here, and in order to replace that we have to remove the radiators and everything, and it's not such a big problem, but the problem is that we won't have any climate control after that, because we have to take the lines out in order to take all the assembly, radiator assembly out, in order to replace this freaking plastic part. Yeah, and I noticed that we are missing a hose in here. I'm not sure where should this go. I think somewhere in here underneath, but I have to check. And yeah, pretty much that's about it. I'm going to drive now in there to pick up the hood, because I received the car with the hood, so I'm gonna take the hood. And I have to think about what should I do in here. I already ordered the new part last night, but I want and I hope that I can remove this reinforcement bar, this crash bar, and I can I'm not sure, cut this plastic in here and glue it with the other one and put all the screws back, and it's gonna hold in here. I'm not quite sure, but we have to remove this crash bar. Anyway, we are going to leave the car as is, and we are going to drive in there to pick up the hood, and after that we are going to start removing everything here in the front. Another problem, now that I can really see on the daytime light, I thought I can save this headlight, but always but. See how big of a crack is in there, and I thought that all the tabs are intact, but every single one is cracked and broken. Hey, focus. This one is cracked, this one is cracked, and this one is good. But we have a big crack in here, so we have to order a new headlight. But I've already ordered 2 headlights, because I don't want to have a new one and an old one, yeah? So I ordered a set of 2, and I'm going to sell this one because it's in perfect shape, it's used and in perfect shape. So yeah, let's drive in there to pick up the bonnet, and we are continuing after that. Back home now. I received the hood, yeah. I think I already told you that this one was included in the price with the car, with all the parts, yeah. I didn't pay anything for any part, but like I've said, we have to try to repair this bumper, because we cannot install this one because it's for a different model, yeah. This is for the S model, this is for the Cooper, normal Cooper. I think we can manage to repair this, because nothing is broken, no tab, nothing, it's just cracked, yeah. And we already have the paint in order to sand everything and repaint. I have to receive the headlights. Until that moment, I'm gonna start removing everything here in the front to take out this plastic fan shroud, or what the heck is called. And after that we are going to attempt to repair this, and I think pretty much that's about it. So yeah, no more talking, let's start removing the front of the car. Whew! Finally out. You can see we have the broken piece in here. Oh, and it's one piece, yeah. You cannot replace just one side, you have to replace the whole thing. I've already ordered this piece, and we have the radiator in there. Okay, we have a lot of broken parts in here. I've tied the condenser for the climate control, because the climate control works and I want to keep it that way. But there is always but, yeah. There is always but. Let me show you what I mean by but. See this engine is completely covered in oil. And first I thought it's the power steering pump, but it's not that, because I've checked, this is engine oil. See that? Every freaking where. Everywhere. And I thought because the oil filter is somewhere in there, I thought because they changed the oil, maybe they didn't tighten enough the oil filter. But check this out. Check this out. It's everywhere. The oil is everywhere. And I think I think I found a problem. Let me try to put the camera to show you. Oh, very hard. And the oil comes from the top of the engine. The valve cover is leaking so bad that pours oil everywhere. Yeah. So we have to replace the valve cover gasket as well. Oh my god, here is oil everywhere. Yeah, and because this side is with the belts and everything, the oil will go in every direction because of the belt. Yeah, see this side is with the belt, and as you can see, yeah, water now because I removed the radiator, but oil as well. Oil as well. Yeah, everywhere. And I think all of that will be in the next episode because we worked a lot, and as always, damaged car, an accident car, has a lot of hidden damage that you see the first time. I thought I will replace the bumper, the fender, the hood, and everything is already solved. Yeah, but more things to be solved. Yeah, I've ordered everything that I saw that is broken and that I have to replace. Like I said, we just have to fix the bumper, and I think we are good to go. Everything should come in here in the next 2 or 3 days, and maybe we can put this car back together. Join me on the next episode to see more progress on this rebuild, and if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.